Have you ever been asked to do something really, really hard? Something that tested every bit of trust you had? Today we're going to learn about one of the most powerful stories of faith ever told. Long, long ago in the ancient desert lands there lived a prophet named Ibrahim. He loved Allah with all his heart, and Allah loved him too. Ibrahim had waited many, many years for a son, and when his son Ismail was finally born, Ibrahim's heart was filled with joy. One night, Ibrahim had a dream. In this dream, Allah gave him a command that would test his faith like never before. Allah asked Ibrahim to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail. When Ibrahim woke up, his heart was heavy, but he knew that Allah's wisdom is perfect, even when we don't understand. Ibrahim went to his son Ismail, who was now a young boy, and told him about the dream. Do you know what Ismail said? This brave young boy said, "Father, do what you have been commanded. You will find me patient if Allah wills." Can you imagine how much courage that took? So father and son set out on a journey to the mountain. With each step, their faith grew stronger. They both trusted Allah completely. When they reached the place, Ibrahim prepared to fulfill the command, and Ismail lay down willingly. Both of them had passed the greatest test of faith. But then something miraculous happened. Allah called out to Ibrahim and told him to stop. Allah was so pleased with their complete obedience and trust that he sent down a ram from heaven to be sacrificed instead. Ibrahim and Ismail had shown perfect faith, and Allah rewarded them. This beautiful story teaches us that when we trust Allah with all our hearts, even when things are difficult, Allah always takes care of us. Ibrahim and Ismail's faith and obedience became an example for all people, for all time. And that's why Muslims around the world remember this story every year during Eid al-Adha, celebrating faith, sacrifice, and Allah's infinite mercy.